Here's how you replace a blower motor on your Suzuki Kizashi. First, you're going to want to take out your glove box and everything, the little tray up here. And then this piece will be right like this. You'll have two Phillips head screws right there. You'll lower it and then remove this little light that's right here. And it's just two pegs, they fall right out. And I know all these trim pieces and stuff are already up. That's just because I already did mine, so I'm just going to show you real quick. And then you're going to want to pull up this trim piece, which you just slide it and remove. Then you pull out this rubber seal to pull this one out and take out that one. Then there's going to be two. You're going to have one and then two little plastic. They just spin off counterclockwise. They look like this. And you just rotate them off. That way you can pull the carpet out. Get that up and out of the way. They're hooked around these, so you just got to pick them up and lift them off. Now, there's this piece of styrofoam right here. It's just that little, you're going to need to take this out to give yourself a lot of clearance for this blower motor to come out. Now to get to the blower motor, come underneath here. Always disconnect your negative battery cable first. Pull this. This is actually the wiring harness that powers the blower motor. There will be a small vent on the side, which I'll show you on this one that's already out. You can see it better. Here's what it looks like underneath. There you go. So anyways, what you're doing underneath your blower motor is just pulling out this side, and you can leave this one hanging here. This one's kind of sounds like a lawnmower when it's on. And after I took it out, I've seen that it is actually broken in a couple different spots. It's vibrating. So it's no good. So you've got that hose out, and then you're gonna have one, and then two, and then a third Phillips head screw in the back, which you're gonna need a really small screwdriver, or if you have one of these, that'll make your life a little easier with this one. But if not, you're gonna need one probably about this size. Yeah, that one's really hard to get a hold of. And then once you get that out, it'll actually fall. And since you do not have this down here anymore, this thing, there's an air vent right here which leads up and over there. You can bend this thing quite a bit. It's not breaking. Don't have to worry about breaking it. You pull it back and just pull down on the blower motor. See, mine's actually just falling out now. That's how easy it is to get out. So now that you have that, you freed up all this extra space underneath here where you can pull out your blower motor. Again, I got one hand, so I'm not going to be able to do this successfully, but like I said, you got that extra room. That's it. Pull it down. It'll look just like this. Grab your new one and put it back the same exact way. Like I said, just 3 Phillips head screws, the only thing holding that in. And that'll be it. If you got any questions, shoot me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or also, I will also leave a link to the blower motors.